Paper 12 October November 21. So the diagram shows the speed time graph for the start of a cyclist journey. Find the acceleration during the first 20 seconds. It is speed time graph. Acceleration is the gradient, and gradient is equal to rise over run. If you use this, 15 over 20 will be the answer, meter per second square. This is one way of finding the gradient. The other way could be if we use any 2 points from the graph. Since here you can see this is a straight line. Straight line means there is a constant acceleration from 0 to 20. So if you use the change of velocity is from 0 to 15 over time taken is 20. The other way of finding the gradient is if we use this region 0, 0, other is 20, 15. So there are 2 points 0, 0 and 20, 15. So see if this is x1, y1, and this is x2 and y2. Acceleration in the speed time graph is gradient, and the gradient is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So 15 minus 0 over 20 minus 0. So that is 15 over 20. 5 3s are 5 4s are 3 over 4, or even you can write as 0.75 meter per second square. Second part of the question is describe the motion of the cyclist between T20 and T30. Here you can see this is in this speed time graph. From 20 to 30 there is a horizontal line. Horizontal line in speed time graph means there is no change in the speed. Between T20 to T30 the cyclist is moving with the constant speed. With the uniform speed or constant speed, or you can mention with the constant speed of 15 meter per second. The last part, C part, is the total distance traveled in 50 seconds. In speed time graph, the distance is area under the graph. So we can divide this diagram into different parts. For example, if I take first this part, the second part could be this one. Even we can divide into 4 parts. This is a triangle. I'll just name them. Part 1, part 2, part 3 and part 4. Part 1 is the triangle with base 20 and height 15. So the area will be half times 20 times 15. 2 tens are 20. 10 times 15 is 150. This second is rectangle with width 20 to 30 means 10 and height 15. So again the area will be 10 times 15 is equal to 150. Third shape is a triangle with the base 30 to 15 20 and the height is 5 to 15 10. So its area will be half 10 times 20, 2 tens are, so that will be 100. And the last part is the rectangle with length 30 to 50 which is 20 and width is 5. So 20 times 5 is 100. So the total distance covered is 150 from the first part. From the second part it is again 150 plus third part is 100 and the fourth part is 100. So 150 plus 150 is 300, 400, 500. So total distance covered will be 500. 500 meters is the total distance covered.